The dental drill has evolved over many years from a simple tool to a device that's now invaluable in protecting the overall health of humanity as far as oral health would go. Today, I'm going to give you some information on the backdrop of the dental drill and how innovation has affected its purpose. The drill began back in 7000 BC, and it was operated by craftsmen who actually made beads and other jewelry. Then later on in life, in the 1800s, it was evolved by a British dentist named George Fellows Harrington into a rotary device, which means it just rotated clockwise. And it was operated by a foot pedestal that was sort of like a bicycle. And it worked primarily by cleaning out any type of decay or unfamiliar bacteria inside of the tooth, or used to reconstruct the tooth for any restorative purposes. A dental drill can rotate up to 30,000 to 800,000 rotations per minute, depending on the drill that you use. They have various drills. Some are called slow speeds, high speeds, and then you have your surgical hand pieces, which are mainly used primarily by oral surgeons or general dentists in a surgical dental procedure. Some slow speeds are quadrangle or straight, and then they actually use some slow speeds in nail salons when altering the acrylic on your fingernails. Sometimes a lot of people don't know that. And modern drills now have a cooling system, so when it rotates, it sprays water towards the burr inside of the handpiece that's rotating to help keep it cool and to keep the teeth from overheating inside of the mouth. And it also helps with cleaning out any bacteria that the burr is cleaning at the moment. And in early innovations, I really am not too certain on how they operated the handpiece as far as the craftsmen go. I'm not sure if they use mallet tools or if they just use their hand to kind of dig in there and rotate and clean out any unknown bacteria or decay. But now I know that the handpiece has evolved a lot compared to what I've seen and researched on the internet. It's pretty interesting and cool. There's a lot to learn about.